ChuChu TV!
Hi there, my friends!
Hey there, Mr. Harlow!
I'm so happy to see you! Today, we're going to learn about some utility vehicles.
Wow!
Okay, let's cast our magic spell.
ChuChu! Hi!
Little friends, let's open these colorful eggs one by one.
I can't wait! Let's go!
Let's open the red egg first.
Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the red egg?
Open! Open! Open!
Surprise! It's a police car!
Yeah! A police car!
The police officer drives the police car to chase and catch the bad guys. Let's open the green egg next.
Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the green egg?
Open! Open! Open!
Surprise! It's a fire truck!
Yay! A fire truck!
The firefighter uses the fire truck to put out fires. Let's open the blue egg next.
Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the blue egg?
Open, open, open!
Surprise! It's an ambulance!
Yay! An ambulance!
The paramedic uses the ambulance to transport people to the hospital. Let's open the pink egg next.
Pick me! Thank you!
Shall we open the pink egg?
Open! Open! Open!
Surprise! It's a tow truck!
Yay!
A tow truck!
The mechanic uses the tow truck to pick up broken down cars. Shall we open the yellow egg?
Open. Open. Open.
Surprise! It's a quad bike!
Wow!
Yay!
A quad bike!
The Coast Guard uses the quad to keep watch at the beach. Did you kids have fun learning about some utility vehicles?
Yes, we learned a lot about utility vehicles, Mr. Harlow.
Shall we say them all over again?
A police car. A fire truck. An ambulance. A tow truck.
A quad bike!
I am so happy to hear that. It's getting dark and it's time to go home. So long, my friends.
Goodbye. We look forward to our next field trip, Mr. Harlow.